What's up everyone, it's Kyle from Color Expression, back with another swatch and review. So our friends over at Lollipolish reached out and wanted to send me some of their reflective shades to swatch and review. So today we're looking at 5 polishes in total. 2 are from Lollipolish and then the other 3 are from Bow Polish. So if you don't know much about either of these companies, Lollipolish is an online nail polish retailer and they are also the US stockist for Bow Polish. That was a mouthful. They both make some really awesome and unique shades, so I'm going to link everything down below, and you can also save 10% on your order with them by using my affiliate code COLOR10. So the link down below is going to be an affiliate link, so it should apply if you click it, but if not, just put COLOR10 in at checkout and you should be getting a nice little discount. If you enjoyed this video today, then make sure that you hit that subscribe button down below, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new videos that come out. But I am so excited to look at these shades. Let's just get into these swatches. So first, I did just want to show off the packaging for both of these. So I loved this Bow Polish box. I think the design is so cute. I love this aesthetic that they have. And then this Lollipolish, we get a nice classic black, and then we get their logo all over the sides and top, which is just a nice little touch. They also sent over their Stop Chip base coat, so I am using that for the swatches in this video today, though they are glitter polishes, so I'd say for really easy removal, I would recommend a peely base. First up to review in today's video is Blinder. So this one is a silver reflective nail polish, and I know I said that in the intro and you might not know what I'm talking about. So here with a phone flash, you can see how this pigment really acts and lights up. So it's not quite holographic where it reflects rainbows, even though you can see some blue and almost gold and orange in that shot right there, but it's almost as if you took the pigment off of a reflective vest or a street sign or like a traffic cone. Do you know what I mean? That stuff that lights up really, really bright in a headlight. It's as if you took that and turned it into glitter and then put it in nail polish. So in this just normal studio lighting, you can see it looks like we have a really beautiful silver glitter polish that is a little bit shinier probably than a normal just silver metallic glitter polish. But when this gets lit up in a flash or in the sun, which honestly it hasn't been really sunny, so I couldn't get anything in actual sun for you guys, I'm sorry. But when you put light on these at just the right angle, they light up in the most insane way. It's actually unreal, and I tried so hard to get it on video, but it doesn't do what it looks like in person. Oh, they also sent over their fast dry top coat, so we are going to use that just to smooth out the glitters in the swatches. Obviously they're glittered, so they're going to be textured, so we put that on, we get that nice gloss, and look at this, it's just insane. I don't understand how this works. It's actually mind-blowing. And from what I've found in my, my playing around with this, is that you almost need the flash to be from the angle as if it was coming from your eye. So like I hold my phone really close up to my face and point it at my hand, and that's how you get that super bright version of the glitter. And then here, if the flash is off to an angle, you can see it's a bit more dispersed, but you do get those super bright shines of light. It's crazy. And then just in the normal studio lighting again, you can see that beautiful silver reflection and glitter that we're still getting. So you don't need crazy light for this to look beautiful and extra shiny. So I do love that about this pigment, and we're just going to take a few more seconds of glory shots on these silver nails just because I didn't full hand every shade in this video. With that little break that I'm growing out on that one finger, I'm trying not to paint it too much. So soak this in and let's move on to the next one. So this is another Bow Polish, as you can see from the bottle. This one is called Drifting, and it's essentially like the last shade that we just looked at, but this one has a pink jelly base. So you can see as we're starting to build it up, we get some nice pigment in that first coat, but obviously with jellies and glitter jelly polishes like this, as you build it up, you're gonna get more of that color, and then some of that glitter actually changes color underneath the jelly. So we are going to build this one up in 3 coats, and if you have a shorter nail, you might be able to get away with just 2 for this one, but with my longer and kind of stained nails, I definitely felt that 3 was needed just to really cover up that little bit of nail line, and you can see it just kind of fully bodied that pink in a way. And then with the flash, we get the pink coming through, the glitter coming through. It's just, oh my gosh, these are so cool. I could say that 100 times. Like, they're so cool. This next one actually takes it a step further. So this one is called Alterlife, and you can see we get this beautiful cherry red base color, and then in that we have those reflective glitters, but there's also some red metallic glitter in here. And the cool thing is that this one is also thermal. So this red color actually is the cold state for this polish, and then as it warms up, the red turns into white. So we get to see those reflective glitters and those red glitters stand out way more. Look at that. So this is the warm on my finger, cold at the tip of my nail state, and it's so pretty. It's so cool having those effects together, and then that reflective pigment in there. It's just like, how did they do this? It is amazing. Now we will move on to the two Lollipolishes. So this first one is called Sapphire Love and was part of their You're a Gem trio. And actually the next one we're looking at was also part of that trio. So maybe we'll have to get that third one and talk about it on the channel someday. But for now, we will look at this one, which you can see we get this beautiful blue base. And then in there we have that reflective glitter again. But we also have this sort of duochrome glitter or shimmer, or just some sort of color shifting pigment is in here, because you can see almost at the edges, and then in the bottle you can see it too. There's this purple hue that comes through, and it's so pretty. We get this beautiful glittery just effect, and it kind of changes color, and it's amazing. I love this one, so I definitely have to pick up that third one. But now let's move on to Crushed Amethyst. So this one definitely had more of an IRL shift, and I wanted to show this one with the flash in the bottle, but then I saw my finger lighting up and I was like, oh my gosh. And then the thing started reflecting on the side like that, and I was like blown away by this shot. But that finger does have hollow on it, just so you know, so there's a little bit of extra rainbow. But shifting gears back to this shade, you can see we get a beautiful purple base color, and again those reflective glitters and some sort of duochrome, multi-chrome, something going on in here, because this one almost turns orangey, kind of a golden orange at super extreme angles. So I loved that about this shade. I want 100 nail polishes like this. Like duochrome with this reflective pigment is just, it's too much for my brain. I can't handle it in a good way. Like I'm so obsessed, and I want a million of these, especially once we put the flash on in a second. This one just, it lights up and it's unreal. Like it's so cool. And these are such a unique pigment that I really recommend that you try one out for yourself. As always, I want to know what you guys think of the shades in this video today, but especially today because these ones are all so like bright and shiny and unique that I'm obsessed. So I want to know what you guys think, and I'm also heavily debating getting the Lollipolish Winter Quartet. So if you're interested in seeing those swatched and reviewed on the channel, also let me know that in your comment as well. Of course, if you grab anything from Lollipolish, don't forget to use that affiliate code COLOR10 to get a 10% discount. I think that they already have a really great price point, but you know, discounts are always a good thing, you guys. Like I mentioned, if you are not subscribed, I do hope that you will consider subscribing down below so you don't miss out on any new content coming up. But I think that's gonna be it for this video today. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye. What's up everyone, it's Kyle. Yeah, it is. Okay.